नमस्कार. जय श्रीकृष्ण. श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, Shri Advaita Gadadhara, Shrivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda, enunciating the significance of Yogini Ekadashi. Yogini Ekadashi, a significant Hindu observance dedicated to Lord Vishnu, falls on June 21, 2025. Devotees observe a fast, participate in puja rituals, and seek blessings for happiness and prosperity. Observing this fast is believed to cleanse sins, purify the mind, and grant a place in Vaikuntha Dham. Listening to the story of Yogini Ekadashi is considered highly meritorious. Ekadashi carries significant religious and spiritual importance for Hindus. As per Drik Panchang, Yogini Ekadashi occurs during Krishna Paksha in the month of Ashad. There are 24 observances of Ekadashi throughout the year, and 2 Ekadashi falls in a month, Yogini Ekadashi being one of them. Yogini Ekadashi possesses profound, significant religious and spiritual importance in Hinduism. On this auspicious occasion, Lord Vishnu is worshipped. Devotees who observe this fast are believed to cleanse themselves of past sins and liberate themselves from the cycle of birth and death. Those who worship Lord Vishnu on this special day are blessed with happiness, wealth, and prosperity in their lives. This fast is believed to purify the body, mind, and soul. Devotees on a spiritual path are encouraged to observe the Ekadashi fast each month, as it is believed to grant them a place in the abode of Lord Vishnu, known as Vaikuntha Dham. On this sacred day, many individuals engage in various spiritual and religious activities. The Yogini Ekadashi fast can be observed by anyone, irrespective of age, caste, or religion. Those seeking relief from health and mental challenges are encouraged to observe the Ekadashi fast. If unable to do so, they should perform puja to Lord Vishnu on every Ekadashi while adhering to all rituals. It is believed that the benefits derived from listening to the story of Yogini Ekadashi are equivalent to feeding thousands of Brahmins. According to Hindu scriptures, there was a gardener named Hemamali who served Kuber and was passionately in love with his wife. One day, he became so engrossed in his feelings for his wife Swarupati that he forgot to gather flowers for Kuber. As a result, Kuber did not receive the flowers and sent another Yaksh to investigate why Hemamali failed to deliver them. After knowing the reason, an infuriated Kuber cursed Hemamali with leprosy. After being banished from Alkapuri, Hemamali roamed the forest alone, where he encountered Markandeya Rishi, who advised him to observe the Yogini Ekadashi Vrat to alleviate his troubles. With immense devotion and commitment, he worshipped Lord Vishnu, fasting and adhering to all the rituals while reciting the Vrat Katha. Lord Vishnu, pleased with his devotion, blessed him with happiness and removed all the sufferings. Hemamali then returned to Alkapuri and lived joyfully with his wife. Yogini Ekadashi Puja rituals. Before observing the Ekadashi fast, one must make a sankalpa. It is essential to rise during Brahma Muhurta and clean the temple area. Subsequently, one must take a bath prior to starting the puja rituals. The bath should be performed using only pure water, refraining from any body cleansers or soap. After this, initiate the puja rituals by placing an idol of Lord Vishnu, lighting a diya with desi ghee and offering flowers or garland, applying tilak and presenting fruits and sweets. Devotees are encouraged to spend their day reciting Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. They should maintain a tranquil mind and relax, ensuring that no tamasic food is included in their meals. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.